Well, welcome again. I'm Denise, and Ricky and I are soaring together, and we are wintering in Texas, so we want to share with you our first full week here in Aransas Pass. We've had a fast and busy week. We have met new friends. We have had a good time with old friends that we met at the HCT truck rally, and also some friends that we met here last year. So and new friends that we've met playing pickleball. So in this video, we're going to share with you a few of the things that we've been doing this week.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
First, we went to church on Sunday. We attend a small Assembly of God here in Aransas Pass and enjoy their Sunday services. And we got together with some friends and went and ate all-you-can-eat shrimp at Cody's. Ricky and I rode our trike, and another couple rode their motorcycle, and some went in their vehicles. We all went across the ferry, and I always enjoy the ride across the ferry on the trike. So we just had an awesome time. It was all-you-can-eat shrimp, and I think I ate 13. I'm not for sure how many Ricky ate, but that was an awesome meal, and they were big shrimp too. We got our bellies full. We played some pickleball, and we have an instructor here. Her name is Jan, and she's teaching us a lot about the game, and we just really appreciate Jan and everything that she's doing to help us learn to play pickleball. So let the games begin.
Oh, it's a good day to be alive. I count my blessings and keep them all at my side. There ain't no stopping us, we're starting to ride. We keep on running and we're feeling alright. Go on, get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Used to me, go get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Can't stop moving now. Can't stop moving.
Nice.
I think I'm starting to realize
Oh, good job.
not everything has to be alright. Just keep your head up and hold on tight. Shake off the dirt and throw it right down the line. Go on, get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Used to me, go get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Go on, get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Used to me, go get loose. Yeah, you better get used to me. Get over. Can't stop moving.
out, loser.
Beat my paddle up.
And then last night we went down to Doc's Seafood and Steaks and we ate our meal, and then we got to enjoy the boat Christmas parade there at the dock. Well, today, as you can see behind me, Ricky is cleaning the roof on our full house, getting it cleaned up. Haven't done that in a while, so gonna clean that and then do some more cleaning on the trailer. Have to start at the top. So be sure and like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss us as we are soaring together.